Welcome to our topic on Windows 10. I am your instructor, Bob Dust, and today we will cover the first chapter of our MindTap Cengage book about Windows. Windows 10 is an operating system. What an operating system is, it's a layer that sits between the application you're executing on your device and the underlying hardware that goes with your computer. So Windows 10 came around in I think 2015 or so, and it's a rather popular operating system. It's by far not the only one. It is a popular one, and you find it on many devices. Windows 10 is the latest release of the operating system by Microsoft. All operating systems do are pretty much the same thing. They are the interface between the application you're running and the hardware that you have in your device, such as your memory, your storage, your keyboard, your mouse, your monitor that you're looking at now, your printer. All those devices are attached to your hardware, and then your operating system is, again, that layer between the application and your hardware. Now, every computer has one, whether it's a device, a smartphone, any device you have pretty much that has a user interface has an operating system below it. And what an application is, applications are the things that you run on your computer. For example, the browser you're looking at, you're using now, that's an application. So your browser is talking to your operating system is talking to your hardware. And that's how that operating system goes between the two. Other applications are things such as maybe you have Quicken to manage your finances, maybe you have video games you're playing, you might have movies, Netflix or something, may have an application for those. So those are the applications that you bought the computer for, that you use the computer with. No one buys the computer just because it has because of the operating system, because that's what you're going to run, but you buy it because of the things you will do with your application. So this chapter in this book here will cover what Windows 10 is and some of the features of it. You may be familiar with some of this, you may not be, but I recommend and request that you read the chapter. After you read the chapter, there's a small training exercise built into Canvas. It's in the module you're looking at now on Canvas. In the module, there's a training. I think it's the first one we have, so do that. And that's it. So happy windowing, and we'll see you in the next module.